let's say you went camping and you forgot your paracord, or you just want to learn how to make some natural cordage from some wild plants, native plants. Well, if you're in Florida, you got some Savage palmetto or palmetto plants. You can take those strands and braid them together. I'll show you how. Cut off a couple of these. Just get like 2 or 3 of them. Alright, next you're gonna go ahead and take one of these strands and you're gonna tear them into 3. Then you're gonna take those 3 strands, you're gonna bundle them together like this. Get them next to each other, and then loop it around your finger like that. Then with that loop you make with your finger, you're going to pull that back up, and you're going to go through that loop that you made. Alright, then you got that loop. Oh, my bad. Then you pull it tight, just like that. And then you got these 3 strands. Alright, once you got that loop, that knot, you're going to have 3 strands coming out. You're going to start with the left side, fold it over the middle, and you want to work with the sides, only the sides. The middle ones you shouldn't be turning the middle ones. And you do the same thing with the right side, fold it over the middle, just like that. Then you go back to the left side, fold it over the middle. And try and keep it, a little bit of tension, not too tight. And just keep repeating that. And make sure you keep a little bit of tension